Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th and last session of 9th chapter, that is national income. In today's session, we will discuss two topics. Number one, that is problems in measuring national income. Number two, that is two types of income, that is monetary income and real income. We will discuss. So let us start with the first topic, that is problems in measuring national income. The Central Statistical Organization, in short we call it CSO, calculates the national income of India since 1954. While CSO takes 1999-2000 as base year and then calculates national income at constant prices presently. Now, some problems which are faced by CSO during measurement of national income, those are first and foremost problem, that is problems of double accounting. Number two, that is problems of self-consumption. Number three, that is problem of depreciation. Number four, that is tax avoidance and tax evasions. Next, that is illegal income. Sixth problem, that is problems of net foreign income. While seventh problem, that is problems in accounting. In measuring the national income, the following problems arise in accounting of production, income, expenditure. Number one, that is illiteracy. Number two, that is small scale production or sale. Number three, that is barter system. And number four, people involved in more than one occupation. So this way, 7 problems are there while calculating national income. National income is measured by the criterion of money. The question that arises here, that value of money that keeps on fluctuating. The instability of money that only causes price to fluctuate, that is increase or decrease. If we do not consider, calculate and compare national income with some stable prices, we don't get a correct figure. For example, if the price increases, national income also increases in spite of no rise in production. Hence, increase in national income can be considered true only if there is increase in production too. So these concepts are clarified by monetary income as well as real income. So it is the most important to study them for calculating national income. So let us discuss first, that is what is monetary income. Monetary national income, that is the national income obtained by multiplying the production of all goods with the market price of respective goods, that is called monetary national income. When we multiply the production of all goods with the market price of respective goods, what we get, that is only monetary national income. Now this monetary national income, that is not true income. Then question arises, why or how? Now, reason for that we will discuss with one of the example. Suppose in the previous year production was of one commodity, that was A, and prices those were B. Now national income of previous year, that is production A, and if we multiply with price B, then it becomes AB. Now suppose that the production is current year, that is equal to the production in the previous year, but the prices have doubled in the current year. So the prices in the current year now become 2B. So national income, if we calculate of current year, that will be production A multiply by price 2B, that comes 2AB. Now in this case, the national income of current year, that is double than of the previous year, which is actually not true, because there is no change in production in the current year, only price that is double. So if we discuss drawback of this monetary national income, although the national income has increased, it has increased because the prices have increased and not because production has increased. This means that people have been consuming same amount of quantity current year as they used to in the previous year. So we can say that consumption of product has not increased among people, and so the overall standard of living has not improved. Hence, a country should not just focus on monetary national income. Next, that is real national income. The national income obtained by multiplying the production of all goods with the fixed price of respective goods during the year, that is called real national income. Since the real national income considers the price of the base year, any rise in national income means that some rise has occurred due to the rise in production and some due to market price, that is current price. Hence, real national income that shows the true situation of a country. If national income increases due to increase in production, that means that people consume more products or more people consume the products. In either case, since the production has increased, the consumption and standard of living of people, that both have become higher. Hence, real national income, that is a better measure of national income as compared to monetary income. So this is an end of this session. Thank you.